Hey, I'm Allie, and this is me drinking wine in our vegetable garden. It's one of my favorite things to do to unwind after a long day. Since moving to this home with my in-laws and my boyfriend in 2018, being outside in the garden with my cats, having bonfires, and growing my own food at home has become one of my new favorite hobbies. I've always had an interest in plants, as both my parents encouraged me to get into the garden from a very young age. Fast forward to today, now I get to learn from a true professional, my future mother-in-law, Rosalia. She grew up on a rural farm in Poland where she first learned how to garden and later went on to university and got a master's degree in botany before immigrating to Canada. So she truly is a master in the craft. There's so much to learn about the world of gardening, and even though it takes a lot of hard work and it gives me aches and pains afterwards, I find it so rewarding when you get to eat what you grow, and it's so relaxing to tend to my crops after a stressful day at work. Since moving here, I've been talking about our beautiful garden and sharing it online, and I get asked so many questions about gardening that I don't even know the answer to because I'm still learning as well. So, since this pandemic began, and now I'm able to stay home a little bit more and enjoy the land, I've decided it would be a fun little side project to share what I learn with you online. So as we go along, I'll be sharing short videos of what we've been up to, how we did it, and how it turned out based on what was grown during that time. P.S. I'm no professional video creator, but I'll try my best to present this knowledge being passed down to me with you in a helpful way, and hopefully it inspires you to get outside and get growing, big or small. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.